so bright in morning sun. Flower of Zion, number one. Not of vanity, not of pride. Flower of Jah, always guide. Babylon drought can't destroy. Blossom, Jah joy. Every petal pure and sweet. Flower of Zion, truth complete. Children pick and mothers sing. Flower blessing, Jah bring. Elders smell the holy air. Flower of Zion everywhere. Not of silver, not of gold. Flower story long foretold. Every color testify. Flower of Jah never die. Travel or walk upon the road. Flower lighten heavy load. Desert bloom and forest shine. Flower carry life divine. Babylon fire can't consume. Flower of Zion always bloom. Generation rise and know. Flower of Zion ever grow. Prophets chant and poets write. Flower bloom, wind Jah light. Every nation bow and see. Flower bloom in unity. Not of hatred, not of war. Flower blossom evermore. From creation till today. Flower guide the holy way. Rain may fall and sun may rise. Flower stand beneath the skies. Eternal fragrance, strong and true. Flower bloom for me and you. All creation clap and sing. Flower praise Jah King. Everlasting, bold and free. Flower shine eternally. Zion River, lift me higher. No Babylon can change its flow. Zion River, ever grow. Eternal blessing, pure and wide. Zion River, always guide. It shine beneath the morning sun. Zion River, never done. Forever streaming bright and true. Zion River, carry you. It join the mountain, join the sea. Zion River, set we free. Eternal water, strong and tall. Zion River, bless we all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion River still remain. Flow eternal, never dry. Zion River, reach the sky. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion River, for me and you. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion River, never stray. Flow strong, flow wide. Zion River, holy tide. No chain, no dam can block the way. Zion River, here to stay. Zion River, pure and deep. Jah forever love to keep. Flowing strong, eternal flame. Zion River, praise his name. From mountain high to ocean floor. Zion River, evermore. Jah brings sweet release, forever growing, strong and true. Harvest Zion for me and you, eternal plenty, never done. Harvest shining in Jah sun, harvest of Zion full and wide. Jah provide and Jah guide, every seed a holy song. Harvest of Jah ever strong. Strong and free, harvest Jah for you and me. Me see the elder reap the field, harvest Zion blessings yield. It bless the children, bless the meek. Harvest truth all people seek, forever holy, never gone. Harvest Zion, carry on, abundant flow from land divine. Harvest Jah forever mine, no Babylon can steal away. Harvest Zion, Harvest Zion still remain forever plenty, never cease. Harvest Jah, eternal peace. It called the nations, called them near. Harvest Zion never clear. Holy blessing, song and flame. Harvest Jah forever same. Grow strong, reap right. Harvest Zion full of light. No thief, no chain can steal away. Harvest Jah forever stay. Harvest of Zion full and wide. Jah provide and Jah guide. Every seed a holy song. Harvest of Jah ever strong. From age to age, from day to night. Harvest Zion shining bright.
Echo meditation, man. La 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 la. Echo meditation, got them wide. Evermore with Jah abide. Tree of life and flower bloom. Garden chase away the gloom. Every fruit are healing sweet. Garden make the soul complete. River flow and birds them sing. Garden blessed with everything. Children laugh and elders smile. Garden pure and free of guile. Every color, every shade. Garden where creation made. Babylon cannot enter here. Garden filled with love and care. Perfect peace and holy song. Garden hold the righteous strong. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Lion resting beneath the tree. Garden full of harmony. Wolf and lamb together play. Garden shine a brighter day. Sun above in golden flame. Garden on a Jah name. Every path a holy door. Garden lasts forevermore. Night may come but still it glow. Garden let the spirit grow. Starry crown and moonlight fair. Garden blessing everywhere. Generations walk inside. Garden truth them never hide. Everlasting pure delight. Garden shine with holy light. Da 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 da. River whisper breezes mild. Garden greet the faithful child. No corruption, no despair. Garden heal with tender care. Eternal joy, eternal song. Garden keep the people strong. Grow, grow, seed of peace. Garden blessing never cease. Bloom, bloom, flower true. Garden shine for me and you. Garden of Evermore, bold and wide. All the people side by side. Never fading, never gone. Garden sing creation song. Forever living pure and free. Garden hold eternity.
mountain, what we seek, it rise eternal, strong and tall. Zion mountain, bless we all. No storm shake it, no fire fall. Zion mountain, overall. Forever standing, bright and true. Zion mountain, guide we through. Zion mountain, high and free. Jah forever, destiny. Rise eternal, never fall. Zion mountain, bless we all. It hold the prophets, hold the flame. Zion mountain, call Jah name. Forever shining, never dim. It watch the valleys, watch the seas. Zion mountain, Jah decrees. Eternal stronghold, pure and wide. Zion mountain, we abide. Me climb the hill, me chant a song. Zion mountain, keep me strong. No Babylon can take away. Zion mountain, here to stay. It guide the youth, it guide the old. Zion mountain, bright like gold. Forever holy, never gone. Zion mountain, keep we strong. It rise eternal to the sky. Zion mountain, never die. Forever shining, pure and true. Zion mountain, carry you. It hold the throne, it hold the crown. Zion mountain, never down. Eternal fire, pure and tall. Zion mountain, bless we all. Sound again. Relaxation, yeah man. Love of Zion never end. Flow from Jah, me greatest friend. It heal the broken, lift the low. Zion love forever grow. No Babylon can tear apart. Zion love fill me heart. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion love for me and you. Zion love strong and bright. Shine eternal Jah light. Every breath a holy flame. Zion love exalt his name. He guide the children, bless the meek. Zion love all people seek. Forever holy, never cease. Zion love bring Jah peace. It cover valley, cover sea. Zion love eternity. Eternal blessing wide and free. Zion love destiny. We feel it in the morning sun. Zion love never done. It shine the path, it heal the land. Zion love by Jah hand. Forever holy, pure and long. Zion love just song. It crown the spirit, crown the soul. Zion love make we whole. It rise eternal, strong and wide. Zion love holy tight. No Babylon can block the flame. Zion love call Jah name. Forever glowing, pure and free. Zion love destiny. It bless the people, bless the land. Zion love by Jah hand. When the trumpet sound again, Zion love still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion love the one and all. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion love show Jah way. Eternal shining bright and strong. Zion love just song. Shine high, shine true. Zion love for me and you. No chain, no hate can tear apart. Zion love rule me heart. Zion love strong and bright. Shine eternal Jah light. Every breath a holy flame. Zion love exalt his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion love still carry on. Shining bright on holy land. Zion sun by Jah hand. It rise eternal, never set. Zion sun, me won't forget. It heal the heart, it warm the soul. Zion sun, make we whole. Forever blazing, strong and free. Zion sun, for you and me. Zion sun. Zion's son, forever one.
Holy fire burn within. Zion flame erase the sin. It blaze eternal blaze so high. Fire of Jah fill the sky. No man control, no man restrain. Fire Zion cleanse the pain. Forever burning strong and pure. Fire of Jah forever sure. Fire of Zion blaze divine. Burn away the wicked sign. Every spark a holy sound. Fire of Jah all around. It light the path, it chase the night. Fire Zion shining bright. Forever glowing, never cease. Fire of Jah bring holy peace. It purge the wicked, heal the meek. Fire of truth our people seek. Forever blazing strong and free. Fire of Jah surrounding me. Fire of Zion, blaze divine. Burn away the wicked sign. Every spark a holy sound. Fire of Jah all around. It guide the soldier, guide the child. Fire Zion burning wild. Forever pure, forever true. Fire of Jah for me and you. It blaze eternal, never fail. Fire of Zion Jah has made. Everlasting holy glow. Fire of Jah forever flow. Fire of Zion blaze divine. Burn away the wicked sign. Every spark a holy sound. Fire of Jah all around. When the trumpet sound again, Fire Zion still remain. It burn eternal, never done. Fire of Jah forever one. Forever blazing holy flame. Fire of Zion call Jah name. From earth below to heaven high. Fire of Jah will never die. Fire of Zion blaze divine. Burn away the wicked sign.
hand in hand, walk together through the land. Every color, every tongue, sing Jah praise with one song. No more burden, no more chain. Zion heal the heart again. Come ye weary, come ye poor. Zion open, ever sure. Gate of mercy, gate of love, blessing flow from high above. Every soul can enter in. Zion wash away the sin. Gates of Zion shining bright, open wide with Jah light. No more sorrow, no more fight. Gates of Zion, pure delight, forever open day and night. Gates of Zion shining bright.
Jah bless the people. In the silence, soft and sweet, garden of dawn where earth and sky meet. Every flower fresh and bright, garden rise with morning light. Babylon dust cannot invade, garden bloom where truth is laid. Every petal bold and true, garden sing for me and you. Farmer till the holy ground, garden spread its love around. Every seed begin to grow, garden let the mercy show. Rain descend and sun arise, garden paint the morning skies. Every leaf a sacred flame, garden glorify Jah name. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Elder walk among the trees, garden whisper truth in breeze. Ancient wisdom soft and clear, garden keep the spirit near. Even stranger once apart, garden heal the broken heart. Every part a song of peace, garden let the war decrease. Child of morning laugh and sing, garden bless with everything. Bird them chant a melody, garden hum eternity. No more sorrow, no more fight, garden blooming holy light. Every branch a shelter strong, garden guide we all along. Why, ay, 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 ay. Why, ay, ay, ay. Why, ay, 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 ay. Why, ay, ay, ay. Poets sit and start to write, garden give the words of light. Every stanza, every line, garden sing of love divine. Babylon gate begin to fall, garden blooming oh we light. Everlasting bold and free, garden shine eternity. Even storm cannot destroy, garden root remain in joy. Generations bow and pray, garden bless them every day.
pure and true. Garden bloom for me and you. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Zion children rise and sing, praise the Lord, the Holy King. From the earth to heaven high, Zion children never die. They walk in light, they walk in peace. Zion children bring release, forever humble, pure and true. Zion children shining through. Zion children strong and free, living love eternally, walk in truth, walk in flame. Zion children praise your name. They face the trials, face the test. Zion children still are blessed, forever righteous, never stray. Zion children light the way. They bless the land, they bless the sea. Zion children destiny, eternal growing, never fall. Zion children bless we all. Me see the youth them chant up song. Zion children bring the calm. No Babylon can turn them round. Zion children stand their ground. They carry torch, they carry flame. Zion children call your name, forever shining bright and pure. Zion children will endure. They rise eternal, rise so high. Zion children touch the sky, forever holy, never gone. Zion children keep it strong. They spread the love, they spread the song. Zion children carry on, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion children walk your way. When the trumpet sound again, Zion children still remain, forever holy, pure and free. Zion children destiny, eternal flame, eternal song. Zion children ever strong, from age to age, from night to dawn. Zion children carry on. Rise high, rise true. Zion children shine through. No chain, no wall can break the plan. Zion children guide the land.
blazing pure and free. Zion fire carry we. Zion fire blaze so high, light the truth, burn the lie. Every flame, eternal song. Zion fire forever strong. It burn the wicked, purge the wrong. Zion fire make we strong. Forever holy, never dim. Zion fire, Jaim. It guide the meek, it guide the wise. Zion fire, light the skies. Eternal burning, pure and true. Zion fire, for me and you. Me feel the blaze within me soul. Zion fire make me whole. No Babylon can stop the flame. Zion fire, praise your name. It spread the love, it spread the peace. Zion fire, bring release. Eternal glowing, never gone. Zion fire, keep it strong. It rise eternal, rise so high. Zion fire, fill the sky. Forever shining, never cease. Zion fire, bring Jah peace. It call the children, call the man. Zion fire, Jah plan. Eternal blazing, pure and white. Zion fire, always guide. When the trumpet sound again, Zion fire still remain. Forever burning, never die. Zion fire reach the sky. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion fire light the way. Eternal flame forever true. Zion fire for me and you. Blaze high, blaze strong. Zion fire